Designer nail polish won't exactly change the way your manicure looks, but there are differences in the formula and color options. Besides that, the unique packaging makes for great decor even after you're done with your bottle. For today's video, I'll be reviewing some polish from Hermès, including their top and base coat. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Adrienne, and I create videos about travel, outfits, lifestyle, and review videos such as this one. All the Hermès polish comes in a white box such as this one, and I'm starting with the base coat. So this is an up close, and then removing it from this white box, you have the signature infamous orange box from Hermès. As y'all know, the first layer that goes on is a base coat. It provides a sturdy foundation for everything else that will be layered on top. The polish is a translucent white that protects your nails and dries into an invisible shade. I've used base coats from other brands in the past, and I can attest to the fact that this really does extend the longevity of your nail polish. This is enriched with resin tears from Pistachio lentiscus, which in lay terms is a sap of the plant. The directions suggest that you should allow this to dry 2 to 3 minutes before moving on to the next layer. If you're storing this outside of that orange box, the white lacquered bottle protects it from light. Removing it, so it's this white translucent liquid. First color I want to show you is Rose Porcelaine. It is number 1, and again is packaged in this white box. This is what the polish looks like. It's very light, really mimics your nails' natural color. This powdery pink is pretty translucent, and whenever I wear this, I typically put 2 coats depending on how I want it to appear. This is what it looks like. It's very powdery pink. I've gotten through a pretty good portion of it already whenever I go to meetings, conferences, and I have to meet with key opinion leaders. I work in a pretty conservative field, so this is a go-to for me. The next color I want to showcase is Violet Byzantin. This is number 89, and this is what it looks like on top. So in English, this would be translated to a Byzantine violet purple. Orange box, and any of you who know me know that I love aubergine, plum, any dark, deep purple hue. I do have a lot of clothing, bags in that shade, so of course, when it comes to polish, I am opting for this shade, especially during the fall, winter, any of the deeper, colder months. It's a dark plum with an amethyst sheen. I really do adore it. For this, 1 or 2 layers would suffice. Whenever I'm going to parties or there's a cocktail hour, this is the color I opt for. I like how I don't often see it. You typically see red at parties, so this really makes you stand out. And it really does work with a lot of outfits. The final touch of your nail masterpiece is a top coat. This is a transparent gel that provides a long-lasting, high-gloss finish. This coat encases your nail and acts as a protective shell for durability. After application, you want to wait 15 minutes before doing anything. It comes in a black lacquered bottle to protect your top coat if you're storing it outside the confines of that orange box. For my day-to-day, what I do is a base coat followed by the Porcelaine Rose, and I top it off with this top coat. However, if you really want that natural look, we can do the base coat, allow it to dry, and follow it off with your top coat. The essentials here, so your top and base coat, and then I have the polish on this hand. As you can see, they all have that white cap, and I'll give you a closer up once I flip the camera around. As I mentioned earlier, each bottle comes in the infamous orange Hermès box. There are 24 shades of polish inspired by the Hermès enamel. As with their bags, all the formulas are made in France. After seeing a review of these Hermès polishes, would you go out and try some for yourself? Would you actually purchase them? Are there colors besides the 2 I showed today that you love? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.